Today we're doing the 3 legendary Galarian bird tins. We have Articuno, Moltres, Zapdos. Let's pop these open and see what's... Okay, let's see what we got here. We have the 3 bird cards right here. We have Zapdos chasing Dotrio. We have a very elegant picture of Moltres right here. And we have Articuno in the Snowlands. I forgot what it's called. Oh, the Crown Tundra. Yeah. Yeah, we got all 3 right here. And the only type of packs that came with the tins are Crown Zenith. So we have 15 Crown Zenith packs altogether, and we're going to open them. Starting with the first one. Alright, let's see here. Psychic Energy, Krokorok, Ultra Ball, Friends in Hisui, Chatot, Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Bidoof, Coughing, Calyrex, and Gradent. Gradent V. Alright, next pack. Fighting Energy, Lost Vacuum, Luxio, Digging Duo, Salandit, Purloin, Grubbin, Skrulp, Helioptile, Fighting Energy, and Snorlax. Holographic Fighting Energy. Interesting. Oh, wait, no. Go from the back up to the front. Alright. Fire Energy, Matang, Energy Switch, Trekking Shoes, Seal, Tot, Aron, Riolu, Starly, Switch, and... Is that it? Yeah, okay. Alright. Okay. Fighter Energy, Solrock, Lost Vacuum, Luxio, Wooloo, Helioptile, Potcham, Switch, Swablu. I'm gonna keep that. That's a cute Swablu card. Look at that. From my own personal collection. Electric Energy, Lunatone, Solrock, Krokorok, Scyther, Molga, Yangoose, Cherubi, Gianna, and Skysealed Stone. Oh, I get the 13. That's cute. Fighting Energy, Friends and Sui, Lost Wifi, Luxio, Larvesta, Oddish, Seal, Potion, Aron, Potion Grass Energy, Crushing Hammer, Carnivine, Rare Candy, Grogan. Okay. Larvesta. Water Energy, Soul Rock, Trekking Shoes, Tang, Seal, Dots, Grappler. Darkness Energy, Mitsang, Digging Duel, Graveler, Yanma, Poniard, Cricketot, Shanks, Mr. Mime, Leafeon V. Oh my god. That is adorable. Leafeon V-Star card. That looks beautiful. Oh my god. This looks beautiful. I'm definitely keeping that. That is definitely... Oh my god, that is so beautiful. That looks so beautiful. Is it just Leafeon, or I wonder if it's the other evolutions too? 'Cause, my god. That would be amazing. Oh. Darkness Energy, Lunatone, Soul Rock, Rare Candy. Okay. Darkness Energy and... We have two of these. There's our main star though. I'll tell you one thing, it just started raining outside and the room is actually dark. That's why, if you're well, actually, if you hear me saying I'll just light it up, I'm talking about the video, because the room is actually pretty dark right now, so I'll just light up the video with video editor. Metal Energy, Salazzle, Rare Candy, Tots, Mega, and Leafeon V. Oh my god. My favorite evolution that people bully a lot. Yay. This makes me so better. This makes me feel better. My god. Leafeon gets so much unnecessary hate. I mean, I get it. Its shiny isn't that great, but still, it looks cute. It looks cute. It looks darn cute. Alright. Shing's a common, that's interesting. Wailord. Alright. Holy hell, this is actually pretty good. Energy. Shaman again. Kind of weird that it's a basic. Or weird that it's a normal card. Mewtwo. Interesting. Huh. Usually Mewtwo would be like a V or GX or something. Not a rare. Oh well. Darkness Energy, Great Ball, Shinx, Lorvesta, Oddish, and Fargrock. God damn, this made me happy. And last pack. Fire Energy, Trekking Shoes, Laron, Friends and Sinnoh, Poniard, Kricketot, Shinx, Mr. Mime, Sunkern, and Zeraora. Alright. Okay, so we got two Greedent Vs. We have these cute little art cards of Poochyena and Swablu. And of course we have my favorite evolution, Leafeon, in Leafeon V and Leafeon V Star. And I'm guessing this is an alternate art. So that is fucking awesome. And of course we have our promos right here. Alright, that should end the video. And